Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power and four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power lift gate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for 6 in total in this vehicle, and you have power controls here for the rear seats, which is pretty nice. Full leather, their own cup holders and cubbies and everything, 12-volt power outlet, and still plenty of room with the seats folded up. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. Looking into the second row, where you have comfortable seating for 2 with 2 cup holders and a cubby here in the middle, and then this folds out to give you a sort of platform for other stuff. And underneath this cover you have a very deep storage area where you can put all your stuff in. And then looking at the controls in the middle, where you have your rear climate controls, second row heated seats, 12-volt power outlet, 110-volt power outlet, and 2 more cup holders. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 115,625 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can cycle through your RPMs and oil temperature, four-wheel drive status, distance to empty, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, driver assistance settings and features, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, so you have plenty of options there. In the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy. In the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. And top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your hazards, and then your physical, media, and climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. And you have this compartment with 12-volt, 2 USBs, SD card slot, and auxiliary port, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and then your terrain selector here for mud ruts, sand mode, and snow, gravel, grass, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And you do have your hill descent assist in the middle there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with another 12 volts, so you can plug something in, and plenty of room in there for all of your stuff. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can land the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.